Thanks so much for that, Maria. Let's switch gears to the weather now. Meteorologist Brandon Lawson is joining me now to break down the winter weather headed our way. And Brandon, how are things looking over the next couple of days?
It's looking pretty hazardous in regards to travel for sure. We're tracking a pretty complex system. This system's actually pretty large in scale too. This system was what developed along the Rockies yesterday. It's now pushed out of the Rockies. It's starting to push most of that precipitation into our Midwestern states. Most of the precipitation still off to our northwest, but you can see we're already starting to see a little bit of rain and snow mixing in towards some of our southwestern Virginia counties as this warm front lifts through our area. We do have a weak warm front pushing through tonight. You can see really south of south of Route 460 there. You can see along our southwestern counties, that's where that rain and snow is really starting to mix in. We do have a winter storm warning for Pocahontas County, Greenbrier County, Summers County as you head towards southeastern Fayette, southeastern Raleigh County, Mercer, Monroe County, Giles, Bland, and Wythe County. The winter storm warning goes into effect tonight at 10 o'clock and runs through 10 o'clock on Sunday. We're actually going to see this really run through the majority portion of the day on Sunday. Then northwestern Fayette, northwestern Raleigh, Wyoming County, and Tazewell County under a winter weather advisory. Basically just means that they're going to see less impacts of winter weather there, but enough to create at least some slick spots and some hazardous travel conditions for that winter weather advisory there. Now this system is going to be all about precipitation types. We're going to have what we call warm air aloft in some locations, which is going to change again those precipitation types. So again, if you have above freezing air all the way above our heads, you have those ice particles, they melt, they turn into rain. If you have, again, above freezing layer really all the way up through the atmosphere. Now, here's the deal. Sometimes you can get that above freezing layer and then a thin layer of freezing, below freezing temperatures. That's ice. That's what we call freezing rain. That can create some really dangerous travel conditions. That thicker layer below freezing really temperatures above our heads, and that thin layer of warm air aloft can create sleet. And then if you have, again, below freezing temperatures well above our heads all the way through the atmosphere, that's where we get snow. And again, this is going to be a very complex system and very hard to forecast. We're going to see a mixed bag of precipitation tonight. And with that mixed bag of precipitation, regardless of what you see, we're going to be seeing slick and hazardous travel conditions tonight, upper 20s, low to mid 30s. And again, that range in temperature is going to change our precipitation types as well. Tonight and through Monday, here's what we're tracking. Accumulating snow and sleet, several inches of snow and sleet in some spots. Again, freezing rain and that glaze of ice is going to be possible in some spots as well. And both of those going to lead to slick travel and even the threat for isolated power loss. So you want to go ahead and start thinking about if you do have to travel tomorrow, getting up early, giving yourself extra time. But please, folks, if you don't have to travel, especially in the morning, don't get out there on the roads. Charge those devices as well tonight. Get them all charged up just in case you lose power tonight. Maybe get some non-perishable foods as well. Here we go. Temperatures are right around freezing as you head east of I-77 and along it. But look at these warmer temperatures along our southwestern counties. That's actually going to really cause for some rain to mix in along some of our far western slopes. But here's what it looks like on Futurecast. As we go into tonight, we get that snow mixing in some spots, a little bit of rain towards the far western slopes. Then early tomorrow morning, here we go at widespread snow showers. We've got snow east and along of I-77. And then here's that freezing rain line that we're really going to have to pay attention to. That's going to change this forecast a lot depending on where that freezing rain lines up. We'll get a little break tomorrow afternoon, more freezing rain and some snow mixing in towards our eastern counties. And then as we go into Monday, here comes more snowfall into the forecast. How much snow are we talking? 5 to 8 inches towards our northeastern counties, northeast of I-77, 3 to 5 inches along and just west of I-77 there, 1 to 3 inches along our far western slopes, trace to an inch along the southwestern portions of the viewing area. By Tuesday, we're drying out, but folks, again, travel going to be hazardous really throughout the next 48 hours. Please take it easy out there on the roads. We do dry out, it looks like, in early Tuesday afternoon, but again, be safe out there and take it easy on the road.